name's Kayla and today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to put the recipe, a list of the ingredients, and links to some of the items I use in today's video in the description box below, so check it out. So the first and most important step is you want to tie up your hair and wash your hands. This is a key step to having the best chocolate chip cookies ever. So you want to have 2 sticks of butter and a saucepan on medium heat. You're going to melt the butter until it starts to foam and get slightly brown. You want to make sure you're stirring non-stop until your butter looks like this. You're going to remove it from heat, and today I'm using my KitchenAid mixer. I'm going to pour it into the bowl and let it cool for 20 minutes. While the butter's cooling, you're going to want to grab a bowl and mix together all the dry ingredients. First, we're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you level it out. Then you're going to want 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And lastly, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to grab a whisk and whisk it all together. Good job. Next, I'm going to put my sugars in a bowl while the butter is cooling. I'm going to use 1 cup of light brown sugar. And now 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure you level it out. Now we're going to grab a measuring glass and put our 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to place that aside and check on our butter again. Now it's been about half the cooling time, so we're going to give our butter a little bit of a stir and then place it back to the side and wait 10 more minutes until we can mix in our sugars. Now that it's been 20 minutes and our butter is cooled, we're going to give it a little bit of a stir and then place our sugars we put in a bowl earlier in. Then we're going to use our KitchenAid mixer. Lock it in and place it on the stir speed and mix until incorporated. It's been mixing for about 2 minutes, so now we're going to add our eggs and vanilla we have in our measuring cup from before and mix until light and fluffy on the same speed. This is the consistency you're looking for after adding in your eggs and vanilla. Now you're going to add in your dry ingredients that we mixed before. You're going to put it on the stir setting again and mix until fully combined. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now you want to grab a wooden spoon and scrape everything off the mixer and sides to make sure everything is all completely combined. Now you're going to grab your 2 4-ounce bars of semi-sweet baking chocolate. I like to use Baker's Premium Baking Bar, and chop them into chunks. This is 1 bar, and then I'm going to chop the second one. After you've chopped and added your 2 bars of chocolate, you're going to add 1/4 of a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I like to use Nestle's Toll House. If you're a chocolate lover like me, you can add a little bit more or less. It's up to your preference. Then you're going to fold the chocolate into the dough. Next, if you're not near your mom, you get to taste the cookie dough. Now you want to let your dough rest for 30 minutes. When you have about 10 minutes left, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're going to grab 2 small ungreased cookie sheets and 2 larger ungreased cookie sheets and place parchment paper on all of them. It's been about a half an hour, and now we're going to scoop the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet. You want to make sure your cookies are about 2 inches apart. And by the way, one of these makes the job a whole lot easier. So I'm going to put a link in the description box down below so you can purchase one for yourself. Grab some sea salt and sprinkle it on the top of each cookie. Next, you're going to pop these in the oven for about 9 minutes or until they're golden brown. Once the cookies are golden brown, you're going to want to place on a cooling rack and cool for about 5 minutes before enjoying. This tray?
Yeah, they look good. They are good. Not bad. Who cleans up this mess now?
Not bad. I'm going off the bed.
Not bad.
Out.
Alright, so that's it. You done?
Yep,
So your first YouTube video, what'd you think?
it was good.
Good, or? They always laugh at me when it takes me like 7 or 8 times to film a shot. Now she sees what it's like. So yeah, awesome cookie recipe. This is Kayla's first YouTube video, so let us know down in the comments below what you think, how she did, and you think of starting your own channel up, right?
Yep.
And we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Got any questions or comments, post them down below. Again, check the description for the recipe, the list of ingredients, and some other products that Kayla used today in the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
And let us know if you like the cookies.